a curious mind, exploring the concept of Allah. Please subscribe my channel. Kiran, it's time to sleep now. But I have some questions. Yes, sure. What do you want to know? Who is Allah? Allah is our creator, Kiran. Allah is our master. Who has made Allah? No one has made Allah, Kiran. Allah has always existed. Is Allah one? Yes, Allah is the only one. There is no one like Allah. Does Allah have a father or a mother? No, Allah has no father or mother. Does Allah have any sons or daughters? No, Allah does not have any sons or daughters. Allah is unique and incomparable. Can we see Allah? No, Kiran, we cannot see Allah. Allah is beyond our human perception. Does Allah see us? Yes, Allah sees us all the time, Kiran. Allah is aware of everything we do. Where is Allah? Allah is everywhere, Kiran. Allah is with us all the time, watching over us. Now, Kiran, it's time to sleep. Remember, Allah loves you, and Allah is always there for you. Before sleeping, read dua after me.
اللهم باسمك متواها اللهم باسمك متواها
O Allah, I die and live calling your name. O Allah, I die and live calling your name. Subscribe. Please subscribe my channel.